What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play By the Fire by Tiny Tulips, my song. Okay, so to kind of promote and celebrate my first album coming out, I am going to be doing a bunch of my songs, live versions, and a bunch of tutorials for them. So if you guys like my new album, then here's how to play all the songs and a bunch of live versions. And if you haven't heard it and you don't care, well, maybe you should go listen to it and see if you care, because these are actually pretty easy to play on the ukulele. So if you're new to ukulele, these will be nice songs to learn and get used to it. So yeah, let's get to the chords. All right, so there's only 4 chords in my song. It's super easy, and there's only 1 bar chord, but it's a pretty simple one. So we'll just go ahead and get right to it. The first chord is an F, which is your pointer finger on the 3rd string of the 1st fret and your middle finger on the top string of the 2nd fret. The chord after that is D minor, which is the same shape, but you put your middle finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. So just to go through it for any beginners out there, pointer finger on the 3rd string of the 1st fret, ring finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, and middle finger of the top string on the 2nd fret. Then the chord after that is a B flat or A sharp, whatever you want to call it. This is the only bar chord in the song. So you bar this 1st fret, put your middle finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the top string of the 3rd fret. And the final chord is probably one of the easiest chords on ukulele, which is C. It's just whatever finger you want on this bottom string of the 3rd fret. I chose my ring finger for some reason. But yeah, that's the chords for the whole song. F, D minor, B flat or A sharp, and then C. Now let's get to the strumming patterns. All right, so for the verses, the chord order is F, D minor, B flat, and C. And the strumming pattern for the verses, I just like to do a pluck of all 4 strings. So you just grab all 4 strings and just pull them like that. So you do that twice on each chord. So F would be 1, 2, then D minor, 1, 2, B flat, 1, 2, then C, 1, 2. And that is how I play both verses, is just like that. If you don't like that, you can always just do the down, down, up, up, down, up, because that's how I wrote the song, just. If you do that, it is only once on each chord. Now let's go ahead and get to the next strumming pattern and how to play the chorus. All right, so for the chorus, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up. And the chord order is B flat, D minor, F, then C. So the chorus will sound like this, starting with B flat. B flat, D minor, F, C. Down, down, up, down, up, 1 time on each chord. And that's the whole song. So let's go ahead and sing a little bit of it. Sitting by the fire, my feet being warmed by the flame, and my love, it kinda burns the same, and you are the ashes floating away. Will you ever feel the same? And then to the chorus. Love gets me as high as a mountain peak. I'm going to interrupt right there. If you guys liked that, or if you guys enjoyed that, and if it helped you learn the song, then thank you very much. Why don't you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.